Western Union NetSpend Card Finance Card Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering using the Western Union NetSpend card, this video is a must-watch. Links to the product are included in the description below, so make sure to check them out for more details. This card is designed to simplify your financial transactions, offering a range of features that make it a convenient option for anyone looking for a versatile payment solution. The Western Union NetSpend card combines the benefits of a prepaid debit card with the convenience of Western Union's global money transfer services. It's created for individuals who want a safe, easy way to manage their finances without the hassle of traditional banking. Whether you're looking to make online purchases, pay bills, or send money internationally, this card covers it all. One of the key advantages of the Western Union NetSpend card is its accessibility. There are no credit checks required to obtain the card, making it a great option for those with poor or no credit history. The card also offers direct deposit, so your paycheck can be automatically loaded onto the card, saving you time and effort. Additionally, you can manage your card directly from the NetSpend mobile app, which gives you real-time account information and transaction alerts. Another standout feature is the low fee structure. The card comes with minimal charges compared to other prepaid cards, and there's no cost for receiving direct deposits or using the card at ATMs. This makes it a cost-effective solution for anyone who needs a simple way to manage their money without unnecessary expenses. Overall, the Western Union NetSpend card is ideal for anyone who wants a straightforward, cost-efficient way to handle their finances. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or someone who just wants an easy way to manage your money, this card provides a reliable and secure option. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about more useful financial tips and reviews.